Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create string uppercase using filter in AngularJS. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video and then you want to see more my videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Shout out to my avid viewers, supporters, Sir Erniel, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robilin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly put your name and then shout out in the comment section of this video tutorial. So let's get started. Example number 1. Write a program that uses uppercase filter to convert the given username from lowercase into uppercase format. So we have here index HTML, we have here a series of declaration, and then right now I'm accepting computer programming job, software development. You can reach me at my personal email address at jrpomperada@gmail.com. And then I have two websites where you can download free source code that you can use in your programming assignments: www.jrpomperada.com, and then the other one is pomperada.blogspot.com. So we have your HTML head, title, string uppercase using filter in AngularJS, and then we include this library file angular min.js, and then we have here the style, body, font family Arial, font size 25px, font weight bold, body, div, ng app, the execution, starting the execution of our AngularJS string uppercase using filter in AngularJS, body, ng app init user Lydia. So the name default value is Lydia. It will be converted to uppercase, so using this ng model username, and then we have here the username in uppercase format, span ng binding username. Now filter the vertical bar uppercase, and then we close the div, and then the body and HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free, from my two websites. Let us go with the program. I will refresh. So by default, we have here the name of Lydia, the name of my mother, string username, filter in AngularJS. I will change this one to Ali, the name of my wife. So every time that I type, it will uppercase the word Ali, not the name. Jacob, Samuel, the name of my son, and then Juliana, Ray. Okay, so that's it. We were able to create the program, string uppercase using filter in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.